at One Silay Sports. Game between Batangas City and Lodestar.
Batangas versus Load. Which Load?
And the starting lineup for Batangas City. Starting lineup for Loading Stars, number 17, Chapa, number 4, Lapuos, number 15, De La Puerta, number 23, Cagayo, and number 33, Recodo.
Batangas versus Load Stars.
And now first spot for Batangas City, number 25, Cerojado, number 21, Rosales, number 18, Antonin, number 5, Andaya, and number 1, Martinez. Game time! Batangas City versus Lodi Stars. This is the Patlas Nasilaga Basketball League 2025.
Bakit free throw? Incomplete
uniform. 1 point for Batangas City.
+1 for incomplete uniform. I don't know nga incomplete or...
Shot ball. Two points for number 17, Kappa.
Load Stars 2-1. Sige, nasa gani eh. Why? Sila po, sa diin na. Sila po.
Shooting 2, number 23. Foul number 21. First team foul of Batangas City.
Cagayo on the line. Uy! Uy!
2 points, number 5, Andaya.
Number 24, steal by Lapuos. Hey! No good. 3-2 and score for Lodestar. For
Out of bounds. Lodi Star ball.
Batangas. 1 point lead for Batangas.
Returns.
2-6. Foul.
Pushing foul. Number 5.
Go Martinez, jersey number 1 from Isle and Anglo.
It's their second team foul. Shooting 2, number 15.
De La Puerta, number 15 on the line. 2-6 unscored in favor of Batangas City, 7-47. Sure ka?
Out of bounds, Lodi Stars. Batangas City ball.
Anong Lodi Stars?
Lodi? Mula? Ito niyo Luna, Bla?
Yung Batangas yan?
Batangas Lume?
Three-point basket, Rosales. Foul number 18. Batangas City is their 13th foul. Antonin.
2-9 in favor of Batangas City. Another turnover. Uy!
Second foul, number 25. First team foul of Lodi Stars. Shooting 2, number 24, Mercado.
Pati sapatos, pero no ba? No. Ano pati sapatos, oh? Basket. Good luck, CLB. Uy, basket.
2 points, number 5.
Ang score for Batangas City. Thank you sa pagtag, Mamaya Lopez. There's a foul basket.
Blocking foul, number 21.
6-10.
Number 1 of Batangas City. It's their 14th foul. Substitution, 24 fouls.
Score 6-10 in
Number
favor
5
of
foul.
Batangas City, 5:47 remaining.
Shooting 2, number 5, Salazar.
Salazar, number 5 on the line. Basket. 7-10 score. 3-point lead for Batangas City. Rosales for 3, no good. Rebound. Ball for Lodi Stars. Lapus. Uy!
2 points, number 28. Dale.
7-12. Oh!
Out of bounds. Batangas City ball.
Seven 12. 4:35 remaining. First quarter. Nice one. Oh!
Out of bounds.
Grabe nga mga kabataan. Ano?
Batangas City ball.
Boy! Ball for Lodi Stars.
2 points.
9-12.
Number 5, Salazar.
Good.
Batangas City ball.
Basket.
3 points.
Ay, nako.
Number 5 and number 6. Unsportsmanlike foul. Number 16 and number 5.
A
Lone
sportsmanlike
Stars and Batangas City.
foul for both the number 5 and number 16. Paway Kamunga Duwa.
Substitution number 37 in. Number 16 out.
Go Batangas from Isabel Magtibay. Thank you so
3
much.
minutes and 27 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Pushing foul.
Divina Gracia on the line.
Penalty. Basket counts.
Pa-shoutout po kay Carl Magtibay, jersey number 47. Shoutout Carl Magtibay
Foul
from
number 19.
Isabel Magtibay.
Bonus shot for number 18, Antoine. Foul number 18, Antoine. Timeout, Lone Stars.
Timeout, Lodi Stars score 10, 17, 2:45 remaining first quarter. Saan po pwede manood sa U17? I am not sure, sir, if live si Vicky Photography. Check na lang, sir, kay Vicky Photography, sir. 10, 17, 2:45 first quarter. Grabe nga, plastaranay nyo ba? Shout out sa ating masisipag na photographers for today. Kapitan G, PT Kachu, Tito James, and 4J Squad. Let's go Mustang from Carl. Go Kuya from Isabel Magtibay. Press! No good. Uy! Rebound! Uy! Uy!
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul. Wait lang.
Offensive foul, number 7. First foul of Dominic Grasha. One minute and 41 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Uy!
2 points, Dominic Grasha.
14-17.
Out of bounds. Lodi Stars ball.
Lodi Stars pala yan. May Lodi Stars.
Luni. Shout out Madam Tito Ryan Perron. Oh, shout out to Ryan from Sir Raymond Martinez. Lodi Stars 3. Ay, wala. Okay, go sa board. Traveling violation.
Attacker City ball.
Oy, black. Oy.
Out of bounds. Lodi Stars ball. Substitution. Number 20
Oh,
and
Rich Lodi
number
Stars
19
from
out.
Rashala Bessie.
Last 15 seconds.
14-17 as score in favor of Batangas City. 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
End of first quarter. Batangas City 17, Lodi Stars 14.
Yun doon, hindi na lalaki. Sa tayo yung... Tira, nita niyo. Una na tabi, tawag una to.
Galing na paano sa laban.
Una to.
Kaya po, pag-1 po siya, no?
Ang Lodi Stars sa diin na. Gali lang ha.
No, nanigali yung isa lang ako. Kani siya na nakita eh.
Hindi rin na ang Lodi Stars. Hindi rin. Negros.
Start of second quarter for Batangas City, number 17, number 21, number 47, number 28, and number 18 for Lodi Stars, number 28, number 33, number 4,
Go, Batangas from
and
Park.
number 15. Batangas City ball.
It's Lodi, not Lordy. Antulin. Antulin. 5 seconds violation. Antulin kasi. Lodi Stars, not Lordy. Sorry. Go. Rebound for Lodi Stars. Lapus, no good. Rebound Batangas. Go, Batangas, good luck, my Nico Rosales from Jade Rondina. Oh, there's a foul.
Nice one.
Shout out Sir Dave Bessie. Thank you so much for watching.
Foul number 47.
Free throw
Shooting
for
two,
number
number
23, Cagayaw. Basket.
First team foul of Batangas City.
Cagayaw gal. A foul.
Pushing foul. Number 15. First team foul of Lodi Star.
Force, ayan na. Ayan. Nice
2
one.
points. Number 4.
Saan nga ba ang bata-bataan mo? Yun. Sikat tayo.
Substitution.
Mga senior citizen.
Number 26, Francisco in. Number 47, out.
Bang sa bulak tam.
Number 23, foul.
17 all.
Second team foul of Lodi Star.
Dami mo, dyan sa laban, sa lam.
Buka ka ng dito. 3 points.
3 points. Number 21.
Hindi ko na tinawa, bulit-bulit na kayo daw ba?
17-20 in favor of Batangas. Dari ka mo, amonyo. Dari ka naman sino. Kaya against the light ko pa. Mukha na ino ko na.
Reaching foul number 23. Blocking foul. Third team foul of Lodi Star. Substitution number 5 in. Number 23 out.
Matawa na sin, di ba may teka? Matawa na sa mga.
Cagayaw second personal foul.
What happened? Canon.
Ay, ako te.
Nikon.
Kasi siyo.
Out of bounds.
17-20. Second quarter, 6:50 remaining. Go Bunso, number 17 of Batangas City from Nelia. Y'all do what? Grabe, sila po. Gusto na si Dansig sa iya, bo. Foul.
Foul number 17.
21 din.
Third team foul of Batangas City.
Hindi maglayo. Bam! Shout out to the photographer, Negros Adventure Relief photographer, Ramesses Mondragon of Canada Nation.
3 points.
3 points again for Batangas. 17-23 Lapuos. Grabe speeding. Grabe.
Foul number 28.
Lapuos. Wala din.
Shooting two, number 4, Lapuos.
Go Batangas. Shout out po watching live from Oriental Mindoro. Thank you po. Shout out Glenda G. Gusi. Go number 18.
It's the 14th foul of Batangas City.
Grabe sila po. Siya.
That's 5 minutes and 44 seconds in the second quarter. Batangas 23, Lodi Stars 19.
19-23 in favor of Batangas City. 4-point lead for Batangas. Rosales again attempts for 3. Another one for number 17. No good. Rebound 4, but there's a foul.
Foul number 28, penalty.
Sir Bernard, I'm not sure if live.
Substitution number 15 out, number 11 in for Lodi Stars. Shooting 2, number 5, Salazar.
Sports. Hindi na yung taas. Kaya muna nakabuhi sila.
Vicky Photography. Wala ka live si Vicky? Wala siguro signal ay.
Sino?
Vicky. Kapamangkot sila kung diin manalay akit tanaw live 1700. Wala siguro signal.
Substitution. Batangas City number 1, Martinez. Number 5, Andaya checking in. Out number 17 and number 28. Batangas City ball.
Ay, ako na smart, hindi mapos sila.
Ilis dyan na, Consim.
Wala live si Vicky, sir. Si Vicky yung nagko-cover sa 17 under. Grabe na Luzon.
Foul number 5, Salazar pushing foul. Penalty. Shooting 2, number 21, Rosales.
Te, paano na ko ka-sign in kay nag-live na ko di?
Kami na lang yan.
Nag. Go number 1, Martinez.
Substitution.
Go
Lodi
Batangas from
Stars, number
Aizal
17, come in. Substitution from Batangas City, number 4, Dubai in. Number 18, out. Antolin.
Nasing na sa.
Look! Pag-shoot mo na.
Uy, hala. Ay, hala. Ay, ang ball.
Foul number 1. Shooting 2, number 7, Navina Gracia.
Good luck, Batangas.
Second
Watching
personal
from
foul,
Italy
number
from
1, Martinez.
Isabel Magtita.
13 foul. Third personal foul.
4:30 remaining, 21-25 in favor of Batangas City. 4:30. 22-25. Bati on ka man ibala sa live.
Jericho, wala!
Ay!
Ay, sabay natin!
Ay! Patasa! Tadlungaw! Ay!
2 points, number 5.
24-25. Isa na lang. Uy. Lubay.
Foul number 4 of Batangas City. Penalty.
Ay!
Offensive foul, okay. Lubay.
Offensive
First
foul
personal foul for number 4, Lubay.
for
Lodi
Lubay.
Stars ball.
Lodi Stars ball. Nice pass.
Number 77.
And Lodi Stars is ganun ang abante na Lodi Stars. Lodi Stars leads 1 point. 26-25 for Lodi Stars. Uy!
Number 7, Navina Gracia, 2 points.
Ikaw, ng mga side step up. What about up? Martinez pass to number 5. But there's a foul. 28-25.
Foul number 17.
Go jersey number 7, Divina
Chapa,
Gracia.
shooting two.
Go over Maya
Number
Lopez.
5, Adaya.
Ano ba? Kasi dito James Pamete ko ba?
Substitution number 44, Manyan in. Number 21, Batangas City out.
26.
Lodi Stars ball. 2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Shout out watching from Abu Dhabi, Maya Lopez. Go Mokong, Lodi Star.
Ang Lodi Star ba ko?
Negros.
Number 11, De Los Santos.
Selection.
Shooting a bonus free throw. Number 11, De Los Santos.
30-26.
Bali 1900 yan.
Substitution for Batangas City. Nagayana in. Francisco out.
Timeouts.
Now, Lodi Star.
31-28.
1 minute and 56 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Batangas City 28, Lodi Stars 31. This is the Patlas Nasilangan Basketball League 2025 right here, right now at One Silay Sports. Brought to you by FYR Fighter, Marketing and General Merchandise, CNC Cafe, and Tino Resort. Also brought to you by Rich Sports. This is the Patlas Nasilangan Basketball League. Requesting the Mount guy, please on the board. Thank you. Big hand for a Mount guy. Lodi Stars ball.
31-28 for Lodi Stars.
Out of bounds. Lodi Stars ball. Substitution, Lodi Stars, number 7, Divina Gracia, and number 17 out.
Saksak ka na foul. Mga saksak ha.
32-28 for Lodi Stars. 59 seconds remaining, second quarter. Rebound for Lubay. Apat abance for Lodi Stars. Oh, ay! Yeah. Ay, another steal. Ay! 28. 34
Second
seconds.
personal foul of number 19. Shooting 2, Luke.
There's a foul.
Sila gadwa.
Working foul number 5. Penalty. Shooting 2, Anaya. Substitution for Lodi Stars, number 33 in, number 5 out. Third personal foul, Salazar. Number 26.
28. 34 seconds remaining. Shot out kay Hana Recodo, former Miss Oton 1998 from Young Despi. Ay, steal. Uy! Ay, wala pa. Ay, wala pa kit. Ay! Ay, wala Japon. 10 seconds remaining. 32-28. Lodi Stars. Avance.
Foul number 11. Shooting 2, number 4, Lupa. Casal in, and the Santos out.
10 seconds.
Ano, SIM card? Low down.
Wala sa guest wifi.
Wala man ito.
Is basket.
10 seconds on the shot clock.
30-32. Oh.
End of second quarter. Batangas City 30, Lodi Stars 32.
Hindi mo na daan, balik yung stock mo pa. Hindi na yan.
This is the Perlas Nasilangan Basketball League 2025 right here, right now at One Sports Sinai, brought to you by FYR Fighter, Marketing and General Merchandise, CNC Cafe, El Tino Resort, and Reach Sports. Lodi Stars 32, Batangas City 30. End of second quarter, it's halftime.
Shout out sa ating mga viewers. Good afternoon. May duwa pa taka game after this. Lambo Lambugan versus LPU Davao Pirates. 5:45 LG Zambo Sur and Elch versus El Chino. Last two games. Alright, third quarter. Shout out sa ating mga photographers. Tito James, 4J Squad, Kiata Nation, Kapitan G, and Piti Katsuna nasa kilid. Shout out to our photographers na nagko-cover today. Gintag ko na sila. Live po kayo tomorrow. We'll see na lang if may time. Same time lang tomorrow.
Wala kaya, wala pa kung ba sa work. Hindi naman ako sa stage mo sa work. Mga awards sa parko naman.
Siya lang makwa. Yeah, kung graduation naman. What time tomorrow? Wala ko pa ako schedule para buwas. Wala pa ako schedule for tomorrow. Dito ko na nga isa yung nagkadto ko ito mo. Dara sa iya. Parang may kadalagaan. Siya ko sa may kadalagaan. Siya ko na nga yun. Sa cellphone. Sa cellphone niya lang din ano. Screenshot ko lang gano'n. Oil man sila schedule. Sa abay.
Shoutout gali kay Bricks. Ano din.
Bricks Torre Campo. Shout out Bricks Torre Campo watching live. So gusto mag-watch, may harap at duwa ka game. Ireland sa Kansilayan Gym. Hindi ako magamit app kay lag ang akong live. Super lag, reklamo sila ka Japan. Japan. Signal gani. So dito sa ano di man. Sa Seoul.
Start of third quarter of the Pelas Nasilanan Basketball League. Batangas City versus Lodi Stars.
Right.
Score of 30 for Batangas City and 32 for Lodi Stars. Starting lineup for Batangas City, number 24, number 18, number 28, number 21, and number 5. And for Lodi Stars, number 4, number 15, number 17, and number 77, and number 7. Lodi Stars ball. Third quarter, game time.
Third quarter. Rebound for Batangas.
Foul number 4, Lodi Stars, Napulos. First team foul of Lodi Stars.
30-32.
Yeah. Go.
Ball for Lodi Stars. Divina Gracia is blocked.
Traveling.
30-32, 9 minutes remaining, second quarter. Good luck, Batangas, from Shari Mercado. Thank you so much, everyone, na nanonood ng ating live today. Maraming salamat po.
Hacking foul. Number 28.
And there's another foul.
Second personal foul for number 28. Shooting 2, the Bulls.
Basket for La Puz. 30-34. Good luck, Batangas, from Helena. Luis Mendoza. Uy, another player is down. What happened? La Puz is down.
Waing.
Sino ang kontra nila Puz, Tuman? Good luck, Batangas team. Antolin, number 18. Go, go, go. Shout out from Bukidnon, June Tamayo. Shout out from Alan and Ascenso.
Out of bounds. Lodi Stars ball.
Shout out kay Nolan Legayada. Yun, from Alan Inocencio. Good luck, Batangas, from Shari Mercado. Good luck, Batangas team from
2 points, number 17.
Shout out from Bukidnon, June Tamayo. Go, 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 Batangas City.
2
Whoa!
points, Gonzaga.
38-30.
Hindi na magagaw. Wala ka na. Hindi na magagaw. Okay na.
There's a foul.
Box out.
Foul number 77. First personal foul. Substitution, Batangas City. 13 foul for Lodi Stars. Number 24, shooting 2.
Let's go, Batangas. Good luck, number 24, Mercado from Jerome Maranan.
Basket number 77, Gonzaga.
Shout out Jude J. Dorondina. Good luck, Batangas.
Highlight.
Nice pass,
Basket
Lam.
number 4.
Timeout
Timeout, Batangas City.
for Batangas. Score 42-32
6 minutes and 12
in favor
seconds
of Lodi
remaining in the
Stars.
third quarter.
10-point
Batangas
lead.
City 32, Lodi Stars 42.
number 7 from Maya Lopez. Yes, yes, yes. Yung may dilig na niya ako sa live niya.
Alabas Nacional Basketball League is also presented to you by FYR Fighter, Marketing and General Merchandise.
Thank you so much,
See
Macro
you
Sports,
again.
sa pag-share sa live. Thank you.
Alcino Resort. And Reach Sports.
Thank you, Macbros.
Chap, chap. Wala na ilang ako eh.
Yung si Macbros, subong yaman. Steal. Luri Stars. Another steal for Batangas. Eagle June Mina is watching. Number 29, Rosales, no good. Rebound, Batangas, number 16. Steal for Lodi Stars. Number 7 versus number 20.
2 points to Gracia, number 7.
Gracia. 44-32. Yeah. Whoa!
Number 17.
46-32. Go, number 1, Martinez. Go, go, go. Batangas bawi from Aizel and Anglo. Uy! Lodi Stars ball. Lapuos. Drives. Nice pass.
Number 77, basket.
48-32. Grabe nga gameplay ka. Lodi Stars. Batangas, nice pass. Basket.
2 points.
Martinez, 2 points. 48-34. 4:40 remaining. Whoa! Nice block. Oh. Support sa mga move. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Basket. Number 28. Timeout, Lodi Stars. Score 36 for Batangas City, 48 for Lodi Stars.
No, may stars mo. May stars mo. May stars mo. Ma, may stars. Sino na gano'n? May stars mo ba, madam? Nag-message ako. May stars mo ba? Sir Dave, my stars is active. Please send stars. Yes. Thank you so much, or Gcash. Nevertheless, thank you so much everyone for watching. Avance ang Lodi Stars, 48-36, 4:26 remaining. We're on our third quarter. Shout out, Macbros! Go number 21, Rosales, bawi, Batangas.
Out of bounds, Lodi Stars ball.
Thank you so much, Macbros, sa pagtanaw. Ikaw naman sa mga lantaw sa akong danay. Go, Batangas jersey number 24 from Marge. Antoinette. Uy! Ball for Batangas. Steal. Another steal for Batangas. Wala. Balik ang bola. To Lodi Stars, to Lapos for 3. Oh, good. Good drop.
Blocking foul.
Thank you, Macbros. Thank you again sa pag-share. Thank you.
Number 16 of Batangas City.
Bawi, Batangas from Aizel Anglo.
Second team foul of Batangas City. Substitution number 47 in.
Tapos na di waiting pa third game. So din ka sa din Kamak Rose. Arang sa Talisay or Bigla sa Talisay mo.
Rosales, 2 points.
Basket for Rosales, 48-38. 2:40 remaining. Go Manong Birch, Gabriel Lapuos.
Shooting free.
2:30 remaining, 48-38 para sa Lodi Stars. 10-point lead.
Third personal foul for number 17, Chapa. Shooting free, number 27, Rosales.
Rosales on the line, number 25 for Batangas. No good. Go Manong Mokon J. Clyde from Mac Bros. No good. Another one for Rosales. Last one. Go love Nico Rosales. Lagid.
Out of bounds. The Packers City ball.
Boy.
2 points, number 16.
Last 2 minutes of the third quarter, 48-40. Uy! Foul.
Blocking foul for number 16 of Batangas City. Fourth personal foul for number 16.
Go love. Oh, sana all love. 48-40, 138 remaining.
Tagayana, fourth personal foul.
Another one for Lapuos.
Substitution, Yaldua in. Number 16
Nice
out.
one, Ligayara, number 16 from Nolan Ligayara. 49-40 in favor of Lodi Stars, 138 third quarter.
Out of bounds. 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Batangas 40, Lodi Stars 49.
Nice pass. Uy!
Lodi Stars ball.
35 seconds.
In the third quarter. 2 points, number 7, Nicola Garcia.
51-40. 20 seconds. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the third quarter.
Out
Lodi
of third.
Stars 51, Batangas City 40.
Out of third, 51-14. Last quarter. 88 na galing katan. Maganda din ang connecting na din.
And we'd like to acknowledge the presence of our city mayor, Mayor Judith Gallego. A big round of applause for Mayor Gallego!
Shout out si Mayor. Shout out si Mayor. Tagal naman ipasok ni Idol from Ivan Rabilas. Shout out to Mayor Judith Gallego. Magalanta.
That's the last and final quarter. Batangas City versus Lodi Stars. This is the Patlas Nancinaga Basketball League 2025 right here, right now at One Sports Silay.
Last and final quarter, 51-14 in favor of Lodi Stars. Tres.
Out of it.
Lapuos. Bang!
Number 4, La Pumas.
Reverse. Uy! There's a foul.
Foul number 25. Substitution number 18, Angeline. For number 47 of Batangas City, Marquibay. Shooting 2, number 1, Martinez. First team foul of Lodi Star.
Martinez, number 1 on the line for Batangas City. 53-41, 8:44 remaining. Martinez again. Second attempt on the line. Up basket. 53-42, 11-point lead for Lodi Stars. This is our last and final quarter. Still for Batangas. Whoa!
Angeline, 2 points.
Easy basket for Angeline. 53-44, 9 points na lang. Another one, no good. Boy! There's a foul.
Pushing foul number 4, La Pumas. Second team foul of Lodi Stars.
53-44, 8 minutes remaining.
Number 4. Second personal foul, La Pumas.
Avance Lodi Stars, 53-44. Good.
Foul on number 1.
7:28, 53-44.
Martinez. Martinez,
Lodi
4th
Stars.
personal foul. First team foul of
Number
Batangas
77
City.
on the line.
Shooting 2, number 77, Gonzaga.
54-44, another attempt for number 77. No good. Rebound for Batangas. 10-point lead for Lodi Stars. Rebound. Lapos drives. And no good. Rebound.
Number 5.
By number 5, basket Salazar. 56-44. 7 minutes remaining. Martinez. Nice pass. Uy! Ball for Lodi Stars. Number
6 minutes and 44 seconds left in the final quarter.
Number 7, it's a 23 to number 5, Salazar. Drives, no good for Salazar. Tres, no good. Ball Divina Gracia and again.
Basket counts.
Basket is counted. 56-44. And there's a foul. Number 77.
Number 18. Bonus shot for number 77, Gonzaga.
Bonus free throw for 77 Gonzaga. 58-44. 59-44 in favor of Lodi Stars. 5:58 remaining.
Ako na.
Tres, no good. Rebound number 28 of Batangas. Ball for Lodi Stars, 5:30 remaining. Oy!
Gonzaga, 2 points.
Gonzaga gabantay sa dalong 61-44. Batangas ball,
2
basket.
points, number 16.
61-46. Another score, fourth and final quarter. 4:52 remaining. Basket! 63-46.
Substitution for Ian, number 23.
4:24
Shooting
remaining.
2, Antolin, number 18.
63-46 for Lodi Stars. Antolin, number 18 for Batangas.
Fourth personal foul, Salazar.
No good. Second attempt. There's a foul. 4-10, 63-46.
Foul number 77, Gonzaga. His second personal foul. And the second team foul for Batangas City. Shooting for Lodi Stars. Shooting 2, Rosales.
Rosales, number 21 on the line. 63-47.
14 foul for
Oh,
Lodi
Bessie,
Stars.
number 28 from Freshella Bessie. Shout out Bessie family. 63-48. 4:05 remaining.
Out of bounds.
Medyo layo.
Layo lang.
Rosales is down. Grabe save.
Tinay lang ito yun. Nagsaka. Pag
Kaya
lalaki.
nag-anunan at connecting di ako. Oy!
Lakit siya.
Sorry, hindi umod.
Penalty. Napumas in. Number 7 out. Cagayo in. Number 19 out. Recodo in.
3:14 na remaining.
El Dua, number 17.
Yeah, I'll do one.
Bakit ba iba daw?
63-49, 2:50 remaining in favor of Lodi Stars. Oy, there's a foul for Anthony.
Foul number 18. 13 foul for Batangas City. Substitution number 18 out. Martinez in. Lodi Star ball.
Uy!
Basket for Lapuos.
Grabe sila po.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Basket for Batangas, 65-51, 14 points. Ang base sang Lodi Stars, 145. Bessie for 3, no good.
Basket for your duo, number 17 of Batangas City.
65-53.
And 30 seconds remaining in the final quarter.
Doy, wala ka mo ka sa basketball ko. May practice ka sa bubong.
Basket for Rosales, number 21.
Gahampang ka, bro. From Maria Corazon Paredes.
Jumbo.
Jumbo, 109 remaining, 10-point lead for Lodi Stars, 65-55.
Lodi Stars ball. Eight seconds violations. 8 seconds violation for Lodi Stars. Substitution.
104 remaining, 65.
Timeout, Batangas City.
Sino si Doy Doy?
Dami niyo.
Ikaw naman mamete.
Oo. Kaya para ma-transfer ko rin.
Wala po bang live ang 17 under? I'm not sure, sir.
Mac Bros. Ang live ko na.
Si Mac Bros?
Yeah.
Mac Bros Sports ko na, sir.
Final quarter. 1 minute and 4 seconds remaining in the final quarter.
Kasi bunga, wala kabalo araw yung live ko nung
Mac Bros Sports.
2 points, number 18. Angeline.
65, 57, 56.
Foul number 21, Rosales. 14 foul for Batangas City.
Mac Bros Sports. Sorry, abi ko Mac Bros. Haha. Mama Maria, okay lang. Si Mac Bros ang live sa 17 under.
Out of bounds.
36 seconds.
13 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Batangas City ball.
65.
Timeout, Batangas City.
Grabe, 8 na lang? 8. 36 seconds. Sa Mac Bros Sports, sir. Search nyo lang Mac Bros. Or wala pa sila guro ka game. Mac Bros Sports sa 17 under. Ara sila sa Talisay. Yes. Uy, Angeline!
Basket for Angeline, number 18.
59-65. Another one. Foul.
Foul number 17. Fourth
Salamat
personal
Vicky, sa
foul
pag-reply.
on number 17. Shooting 2, number 18, Angeline.
Angeline on the line. Basket for Angeline. 65 point lead na lang ang Lodi Stars. 27 seconds. Another free throw for Angeline.
Foul number 2. Rosales, penalty.
25 seconds.
Second personal foul for Rosales. Shooting 2, number 77, Gonzaga.
Go Batangas from Jay Dorondina. Wala na game after this ang Rich Lodi.
Substitution, number 5, in, 33 out.
Basta mga tomorrow naman ang
Timeout, Batangas City.
Ma'am Sharina.
No more timeout for Batangas City. It's their last and final timeout. 25 seconds, point 17 remaining in the fourth quarter. Lodi Star 67, Batangas City 60. This is the Patlas Silangan Basketball League 2025.
25 seconds, 67-70 ang score. in favor of Lodi Stars. Nag-walk pa lang. Go Batangas from Jade Rulina. 35 seconds. Traveling violation, 13 seconds. 67-17. Five seconds.
Foul number 21, Rosales. His third personal foul. Penalty.
Last lang.
Shooting 2.
Isa pa.
Number 77, Gonzaga.
Dalawa ka ba sa balay? Ano ka ba? Basket for 77. Second attempt. Go Ching Charles Antolin from Del Mundo de Bon. 69-63 seconds. 2, 1.
Time is up.
Congratulations.
Lodi Stars. Final score, Lodi Stars 69, Batangas City 60. Congratulations once again to Lodi Stars. Both teams, please go to the center court for a photo op. And of course, thank you so much to our beloved Mayor Judith Gallego. Big round of applause for Mayor Judith Gallego. Not again.
Hey, Lord, man. Thank you.